and welcome to Cape Town. For your own safety, please remain seated with the seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the captain has turned off the seatbelt signs. You may then disembark to the exit in the front or the rear of the aircraft. Mobile devices may now be switched to normal mode. Kindly ensure that you have all your personal belongings before disembarking. And please be careful when opening the overhead storages, as some of your hand luggage may have moved during the flight. Passengers in need of assistance are requested to remain seated until all other passengers have disembarked, whereafter we will gladly come and assist you. As all airports within South Africa are smoke-free zones, refrain from smoking until you have left the terminal building.